Hi guys, this is Fairytail and you are welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be decorating a sleeping room. If you love what I do, please like and subscribe. Let's start with sort of dress holder. I will just add a tree branch on the top. Here I have a little lamp. I've decided to film this cute little dress separately. Let's put it on its place. Fairies and flowers are always good together. Here I have this little bed. I've made it of fabric and polymer clay. I've decided to film it this way so you can see all the tiny details. This is its place in the room. Here goes a little pillow. We are all done. Let's turn the lights on and imagine we have a good sleep in a fairy bedroom.